How furniture is made. Best furniture manufacturing. Furniture refers to movable objects intended to support various human activities such as seating, example, chairs, stools, and sofas, eating table, and sleeping beds. Furniture is also used to hold objects at a convenient height for work, as horizontal surfaces above the ground, such as tables and desks, or to store things, for example, cupboards and shelves. Furniture can be a product of design and is considered a form of decorative art. In addition to furniture's functional role, it can serve a symbolic or religious purpose. It can be made from many materials, including metal, plastic, and wood. Furniture can be made using a variety of woodworking joints which often reflect the local culture. People have been using natural objects, such as tree stumps, rocks and moss, as furniture since the beginning of human civilization. Archaeological research shows that from around 30,000 years ago, people started to construct and carve their own furniture, using wood, stone, and animal bones. Early furniture from this period is known from artworks such as a Venus figurine found in Russia, depicting the goddess on a throne. The first surviving extant furniture is in the homes of Scarabray in Scotland, and includes cupboards, dressers, and beds all constructed from stone. Complex construction techniques such as joinery began in the early dynastic period of ancient Egypt. This era saw constructed wooden pieces, including stools and tables, sometimes decorated with valuable metals or ivory. The evolution of furniture design continued in ancient Greece and ancient Rome, with thrones being commonplace as well as the clini, multi-purpose couches used for relaxing, eating, and sleeping. The furniture of the Middle Ages was usually heavy, oak, and ornamented. Furniture design expanded during the Italian Renaissance of the 14th and 15th century. The 17th century, in both southern and northern Europe, was characterized by opulent, often gilded Baroque designs. The 19th century is usually defined by revival styles. The first 3/4 of the 20th century are often seen as the march towards modernism. One unique outgrowth of postmodern furniture design is a return to natural shapes and textures.